Hi, it's Gary from Architectural Door. Just showing you a flush mount installation for a residential garage door. We install a base door that gets siding applied to it, that the siding lines up with the siding on the building. So all you see is a cutout of where the door breaks away from the jamb. So when you open the door, you'll see the top section gets pulled in to miss the header, and then it continues up. So we make a right angle weather stripping seal that has this rubber piece here. So the base door that gets installed first overhangs your opening by about an inch. And that's the base door rubs on here, and then the siding is installed on top of the door. And I'll show you that on the way down here. So the base door overhangs, and that overhanging by about an inch is what seals on top of this rubber. So this base door seals on the rubber, and then the siding is installed on some furring strips to get it to align with the siding on the building. And then with the German machine with the slow stop and start, it closes the top section a little bit slower so you don't have a bang. It just closes nice and tight in there. And same thing on the opening. Leans back to miss that 2x12 on edge in the springs, and then just pulls the door up normally.